Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. So today I want us to start off with the Euro USDJPY. It looks like the price is in a downtrend, as you can see. The bands are touching the lower side. We are some distance away from the upper one. So as it is right now, this is still a short. We are still in a very good downtrend. We expect that the sellers are going to continue to push us downwards. So we had a very good trend line. We had a very good trend line. We had a support, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support. There's a break below this support. If the price can move up and touch this line here, then this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. We will be expecting the sellers to push us downwards at least up to this line. This is 137.257. We have another target, which is this one. So if the price moves down and touches this line, if it does break below this line, we do expect a continuation downward towards this level here. If this is broken, we do expect the price to continue even lower. So expect a sell from along this upper trend line to push us down towards this point. If this is broken, the next target is this one. If this is broken, expect a move even lower. So that should be my opinion on that chart. The other chart is EURUSD. On EURUSD so far, we are looking at a possible downtrend. So we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance. There is a break above it. We have a support. If the price can move down and touch this zone here, then this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. So we're basically just waiting to see what happens. If the price goes down and touches this line, we are going to be looking for a buy position, expecting the bars to push us up at least up to 1.11900. So if the price moves down and touches this line, if it doesn't break below it, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from towards 1.11900. The other chart is GBPUSD. On GBPUSD so far, we have a very good uptrend. So we have a resistance. There is a break above it. We've had a retracement. So while the price does not descend and close below this line, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. So just wait and see what happens. If the price goes up to this point but does not break below it, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from, at least up to this resistance level, which is 1.32629. The other chart is silver. So silver also, the price is inside a range. So we have a resistance and we have a support. Yeah. So it means that if the price goes up and touches this line here, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from, so a sell from. So expect that when the price goes and touches this line, this should be the best place to look for a sell from, expecting the sellers to push us back to the lower side towards this line here. But in case the price ascends above this trend line, then we will be expecting the bars to push us much higher towards 31.437, which is a very good resistance. The other resistance is this one. So expect a break above this line towards this level here. If this is broken, the next target is this one here. My other chart is gold. On gold, so far we are looking at a very good resistance level. It looks like anytime the price touches this level, it can't sustain itself above it. So we've had the first attempt, the next one, the next one. All these are all attempts to break above this line, but none of them actually closed above. So this here is a very good place to look for a sell from. That if the price can again move up to this line, this should be a good place to look for a sell from. So just wait and see what happens. If for some reasons the price goes up and reaches this level, if it doesn't break and close above it, this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. And in case it is broken, then it will be a good sign that we're now continuing upwards. So thank you very much. That should basically bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.